Here's my other pepper plant. If you've been following me, you know I have 2 pepper plants, which I purchased from the eBay grow kit. Supposedly they're Carolina Reapers, but they don't look like the standard Reaper pods with the stinger. This is like some other kind of pod. Maybe it got crossed with something else. I'm not sure, but it doesn't look like a Reaper pod, but it's super hot. Anyway, I wanted to show you the ones that I have drying inside. Let's go and we'll take a look at those right now. Well, before we go inside, we can look at the cat. The cat's right here sleeping. Kitty. Alright folks, got some more peppers here drying indoors, and the AC is set at 78, and they're in a fairly dry place, or well, it's in a non-ventilated area. I mean, there's not an AC vent hitting them directly. Anyway, you can see this pepper's already starting to dry up. A little crispy already, and the one next to it's already starting to dry up a little bit right in here. So it looks like it's working. I thought they were gonna rot, but looks like it's just drying up.